Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by preparing the hardware and drivers so Windows can recognize the adapter. Plug the USB adapter into a rear port or insert the M.2 card while powered off. This reduces detection errors. Once done, boot to Windows and open Device Manager to watch for new hardware. This shows whether drivers are required. If you have manufacturer drivers on a USB stick, install those now. Otherwise, download the correct Windows 10 driver. This avoids Windows loading a generic driver that may limit performance. Next, install and enable the network adapter so it can join Wi-Fi. Open Device Manager, find the adapter under Network Adapters or Other Devices, then right-click and choose Update Driver. Point to the driver folder when prompted. Make sure Windows installs the manufacturer driver rather than a generic fallback. After installation, open Network Connections, verify the adapter is enabled, and disable any conflicting virtual adapters. These steps ensure correct firmware, proper channel support, and stable link negotiation when you attempt to connect. Finally, join your Wi-Fi network and verify connectivity. Go to Settings Right Arrow Network and Internet Right Arrow Wi-Fi, select the SSID, and enter the network password. Choose Private when on a home network so discovery works. Once connected, check IP via ipconfig and test browsing. If connection fails, make sure power management isn't disabling the adapter, reinstall the correct driver, or run Windows Network Troubleshooter. This often resets adapters and clears conflicts. One key tip: try another USB port or a powered USB hub to rule out.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.